You just come out of nowhere. Well, what am I supposed to think? You wearing a red shirt and you just come out of nowhere. And look at this. I'm harassing people. I'm harassing innocent people who've done nothing. Look at this. You're the one that's doing harassment. Look, that's harassment right there. Gang stalking. But people want to reverse it on me. Like yesterday, somebody tried to they say they're targeted and falsely accused me of gang stalking the gang stalkers. And you say you're targeting Christian.